Did you know the United States is the second largest Spanish-speaking country in the world? That's right, second only to Mexico. Yet brands are still treating Spanish speakers like an afterthought. Even the biggest retailers barely make an effort. They're tucking Hispanic marketing into the forgotten corners of targeted ad campaigns, throwing out bland, cookie-cutter Spanish that misses the mark.
Y voy a ayudar a que no suene tanto dominicano y lo entiendan por lo menos.
IKEA knew that to truly connect with this powerhouse audience, they had to see us, not as numbers or as a market, but as who we really are.
Pelota.
Bola.
Camioneta.
And that means celebrating the Spanish language the way Latin Americans do, with heart, pride, and passion.
En mi país no se dice mucho, sino que se dice
resto, o sea, agarra.
En Venezuela se dice
burda.
Introducing Como tú le digas, lo tenemos. Whatever you call it, we've got it. No more lifeless translations. No more catch-all messages. IKEA leaned into the energy, diversity, and humor of our culture.
Fracta. Saco. Funda. Bolso. Como tú le digas, lo tenemos. Busque. Jarrón. Cántaro. Vasija. Como tú le digas, lo tenemos.
Whether it's basurero, cesto, or zafacón, these lively linguistic battles aren't just about who says it right. They're moments of pride, comedy, and connection. And get this, it is 2024, and IKEA became the first major US retailer to launch a Spanish website. Ya era hora, right? Especially when online shopping is where many of us started shopping anyway. IKEA made a statement. Spanish isn't going anywhere, and neither is IKEA en español. They're here to stay. Oh, and just so we're clear, in Spanish, just like in Swedish, it's pronounced IKEA, not IKEA.